Okay, hi everyone. Today we are looking at question number 16. Now, over here it says that Rina has a total of 1,284 red and yellow rubber bands. Okay, so R plus Y, okay, R plus Y is equals to 1,284. Okay, she has 828 fewer red rubber bands than yellow rubber bands. Okay, so we can quickly draw a model. We are just going to show. We're just going to show that red, okay, will be smaller than yellow by how much? By 828. Okay, so we know that this is 1,284. Okay, so we can simply just find out what is this and what is this, isn't it? So we just have to do 1,284 minus 828 first. Okay, 1,284 minus 828, and we get to an answer of 456. And we know that this is for 2 units, right? So we are going to find 1 unit. So 1 unit will simply just be 456 divided by 2, and we get to 228. Now, the question says, how many yellow rubber bands does Rina have? So yellow rubber bands, for yellow itself, will just be 228 plus 828. And therefore, my answer for this question has to be 1056. Okay, so the first part is very, very simple. So we move on to sentence number 2, right? It says that she packs all the red rubber bands equally into red paper bags. Okay, so this is where they try to confuse you with by using words that are similar, right? So don't be confused. Okay, how do you not be confused? You write down first. Okay, red rubber bands. Okay, for red rubber bands, now what happens? I pack it equally into red paper bags. All of these are the red paper bags that I'm referring to. And for yellow rubber bands, okay, I pack it equally into yellow paper bags. Okay, so these are all yellow paper bags. Okay, now, do I know how many red rubber bands I have? For sure, right? We have found, okay, in the earlier part, it is 228. Okay, and for yellow rubber bands, okay, it will be basically 1056. Okay, now over here, it says that there are 4 times as many yellow paper bags as red paper bags. Okay, so this is a very important information. You want to write down that for yellow paper bags, it is 4 units. Okay, for red paper bags, it is just 1 unit. So everything over here is 4 units. Okay, and everything over here for the red paper bags is 1 unit. So this is 228. And for this is 1056. Okay, so from here itself, right, what I can say is that 4 units of yellow paper bag is actually equals to 1056. What we want to do is we want to get to 1 unit of yellow paper bag. Okay, we will simply just have to do 1056 divided by 4, and we get to 264. Okay, now you do realize that the number of rubber bands in each of the paper bag is different. Okay, you have to recognize that. All right. Now, so of course, then we move on to the next one. We know that 1 unit of RPB, that means red paper bag, is equals to 228. Okay, this 228 is 228 rubber band, right? Now, so this is definitely a BDSD. Okay, so for those of you who have been attending my lesson, you know it very well. What's BDSD, right? What am I going to do next? I'm going to find my big difference. Okay, so my big difference over here has to be 264 minus 228. Okay, so for 264 minus 228, you will get to an answer of 36. All right, so this is 36 rubber bands. And for my small difference, okay, we learned, okay, according to the question, it says that each yellow paper bag contains 6 more. All right, so therefore this is the small difference. Okay, so you just have to do BD over SD. All right, you will just simply do 36 divided by 6, and you get to 6. Now, what is this? This is 6. Okay, this is 6 bags in 1 unit. Okay, now the question says, how many bags of red rubber bands does Rina have? Therefore, your answer for this question has to be 6. Okay, if they're asking for yellow bags of yellow rubber bands, then it will be 6 times 4. Okay, now then we go on to the next one. How many rubber bands are there in each yellow bag? Okay, so first thing first, you want to find the number of rubber bands, right? Okay, first thing first, you must know how many rubber bands do I have, or yellow rubber bands do I have? 1056. Okay, how many bags do I have? How many yellow bags do I have? Yellow bags will be 6 times 4, which is equals to 24 bags. Okay, so from here itself, I can say that 24 bags, I have 1056 yellow rubber bands, and they want us to find each. That means 1 bag. Okay, so therefore over here you just have to do 1056 divided by 24 and we get to 44 yellow rubber bands. Okay, so in each bag I have 44 yellow rubber bands, and therefore your answer for this question has to be 44.